The DDC SPORT Folding Ebike is equipped with a large-capacity removable battery, allowing for a convenient and extended ride of up to 45 miles on a single charge. Featuring a powerful 750-watt peak motor, this electric bike can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, ensuring a swift and efficient commute. Its foldable and portable design makes it easy to transport and store, fitting seamlessly into compact spaces like public transportation, apartments, and offices. The 11-layer shock absorption system provides a smooth and comfortable riding experience, even on bumpy roads, making it suitable for both city and leisure rides. With quick-release features on the handlebars, body, seat, and pedals, the bike offers ease of use and adaptability for riders of all sizes and preferences. Arriving 90% assembled, the bike is easy to set up and ready to use, backed by quality service and compliance with UL 2849 standards for safety.